Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to complete what is the question? Target quest, and it's pretty easy. All you need is go to quest, go for soccer, complete the quest soccer. It's so easy. Let me just start quest. You know why this is easy? Oh my god, let me just because all it is to put a block like that, and just like that. Just wait till your balls go to goal and go. Then all if you have like 15 gold, go to the shop and go buy hinge, and then go to the RAM. Target, and you see this. All you need is to put seed just behind like that, and then just put hinge. Just put hinge on here and delete the blocks. And if you are glitching there, just launch your boat and then just go up all the screw like that. If you're on PC, just turn on shift locks and then just go up more and go out here, right? Go up more if you want. Then just do that. Yes, you just hit the target. And this is my alt account, by the way. So yes, and that's it. That's how you do it. So bye guys.